All right, here we go. Good luck, Sean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box number 5. Good luck. Buena suerte. Signed 8x10s. Nothing big has come out of the 2017 ones so far. No big autographs. First one, yeah. All right, here we go. First photo is Tonga Kid. Got tired of seeing Tonga Kid. It's the guy from Moana. Next up, somebody clotheslining somebody. That Butch Reed? Holy crap. Butch Reed. Next up, Nikolai Volkov. The natural Butch Reed. Who's clotheslining Tito Santana. Nikolai Volkov. Oh, geez. Everybody's favorite girl. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Molly. Hardcore Molly. That's going on top of his bed. And our final autograph is... Oh, that's cool. Jim Ross. WrestleMania at Caesar's Palace. That's pretty cool. Old photograph of Jim Ross. Very old. Very nice. Nice little box. Jim Ross. Molly Holly, Nikolai Volkov, Butch Reed, and Tonga Kid. You're not a fan of JR? Sorry, Sean. Thank you, sir.